Hi guys, Sheila and Bajaj here, and we're doing a talk on parenting. I'm really happy that we had a whole bunch of questions from people. Welcome to my live video, and we're gonna wait for some people to jump in. We just told people we're gonna be back live. People who didn't get their questions answered, specific questions on parenting, please go ahead and send those questions to us that we're gonna answer now. All right. So we have Shian with me. Shian's my older son, and we were just doing an excellent Q&A. Shian, be in the frame. We did an excellent Q&A, and we're still going to address some questions on parenting. All right. We're not yet done with you guys, so let's have some more questions pour in. I was just fed up of it being landscape on Facebook, so इसीलिए मैंने change किया, so that otherwise everyone would have had to do that to their head, and the whole video would have got messed up. Okay, so let's have some questions, guys. Let's have some of the people couldn't have their questions answered, so let's have some questions. Some people said, was it a task to get Shian to study? Yes, it was. He had his 10th boards, and it was really a Herculean task to get him to study. Shian can be a little difficult when it comes to studying. He's brilliant. He's super brilliant, and but he's really like he can be tough when it comes to telling him to study. Sheila, you're getting emotional. Yes, darling, isn't every mom emotional when it comes to her babies? Okay. Ekta Sujnani says, love the bhaad mein jawal attitude. If you're a mom, the first thing that I'm going to tell everyone who's going to be the shame on his face, oh my god. Okay, so if you're a mom, the first thing that you got to have in your like system, like a prerequisite to being a mom, is the bhaad mein ja wala attitude. I'd love to show you a certain finger that I like to show people in my head. Like I show the certain finger like mentally to that person. It's a healing mudra. I don't think it's allowed on Facebook. They'll ban my video, yeah. I can't do that, and you're my kid sitting here. What kind of an example am I setting? It's so horrible. Okay, anyway, I'm speaking out loud. So that's how I am. What about your board exam? So his board exams were cancelled. After all that mara-mari, after all that khoon pasina, his board exams got cancelled, and he is going to get his results in August. Sheila, please advise me how to come up with financial crisis. Darling, we are not doing financial crisis. We're doing parenting. Do you think academic is the only way to shine brighter? No, I do not believe that. You need to just let your mom be. I mean, not let your mom be. Let your kids be. See, maybe mera aankh teda ho raha. I haven't had my mango milkshake. You see, I'm like a mango milkshake junkie at this time. Okay, we're gonna do this. She's gonna answer. He's gonna answer Pallavi's question. What was my question? I forgot. The previous one.
Is academic the only way?
The academic being the only way. So I'm obviously like I don't have I'm not that kind of mom who can even preach that academic is the only way to go ahead, because look at my line of work, and I was always told as a kid, can do better if she talks less. Can do better if she talks less, and today I get paid to talk. So I never stopped talking, and I was always putter, and then here I am today, and I talk, and people ask me to come live every day. So my son is the opposite. He doesn't talk as much, but I'm hoping that he finds what makes him him. He doesn't have to talk. Just because I talk, it doesn't mean that he's going to take that over from me. You sometimes will figure out your own your own game and your own stuff and your own brahmastra, and it's fine. Okay, this question is for Shian. Any tips on how can kids remain the same in lockdown?
Remain sane. Tough question. All the online classes, the mobile, no outdoors.
Yeah, he's depressed, guys. Mr. Vinod is right. He's really like getting badgered because there's TV time to share. Then there is the tab. Then there is fitness, which he goes and runs. Huh?
Internship.
What internship? Yeah. So he is working with me. He's working with me during this lockdown. He knows a lot of my work. So, I just throw a lot of my work onto him. He's fabulous. He does healings. He used to work in the center. He used to do rewiring your brain sessions for people. Now, because of lockdown, he can't. But Shian has always been like connected to my work, so he's doing sort of like an internship with me, and he's super amazing. Like he helps me in all the 5D healing sessions. So keep your kids occupied in whatever is fun. If you have a younger kid, make them do an activity on your own which you like. I make my kid do paper mash. I think that was only class I went to. Sounds very pathetic, but yeah. But anything else that for kids to remain sane during lockdown?
You know, see, lockdown's not an easy thing for everyone. It's everyone who's going through the same thing. Uh, so, you know, like, obviously there should be a balance of everything. You know, it should not be too much entertainment also, and it should not be too much work also. So, you know, maybe some in that heavy schedule to keep your kid occupied or anyone occupied, even if you're a parent, if you want to be occupied in lockdown, don't fill, at least your kids, don't fill their whole schedule, and like, you know, just give them some space to breathe.
Papa's watching. Papa's watching. Okay.
So in that space to breathe, you can give them some time to do whatever they want. You know, if they wish to do an activity, they do an activity. If they wish to watch TV, they watch TV. If they wish to talk to their friends, they talk to their friends. But
Papa,
it's
this
not.
is for you.
It's
Papa, this is
it's
for you.
not like, you know, you give this time and then later you're like, okay, you did this already, now you can't do this. You know, you gotta promise that. And why is it becoming personal right now?
Because it feels like you're talking to Papa.
Okay.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to say is just, you know, give some space to breathe.
Okay. So yeah, guys, we you know, we're not super family. Okay, we're still grappling with stuff like you guys are. So you know, if we don't have an answer for you, and we're as like, you know, yes, Janki Vaishak is watching from Shian's Instagram. So so you know, guys, it's not like we don't have issues. We live very normal lives. Okay, so we have this, you know, these issues as well, and some of them we haven't overcome, and it's all right to have this maramari happening. So that's how it is. Okay, wait. All are busy with their computer screen. That's true. My daughter has less concentration and low patience. I'm gonna suggest that you when the lockdown opens, get her to our center to get rewiring your brain sessions and Bhakla therapy. No analysis reading, darlings. But I'm gonna urge all of you to share this video. We do keep a watch on sharers who are very kind and, you know, contributive. The light just came on. We just looked suddenly brighter. So hold on, let me. Hey champ, so you're gonna take your mom's job. What is your ambition to be? Okay, Shian answer. What is your ambition? Shian is wise beyond his years. Yes. Cool. Answer.
I think right now, since I realize that I'm good at, you know, all this that I do at my mom's center, this is probably gonna play a big role. But you know, I'm gonna do this. I actually enjoy doing all this, so I'm probably gonna do this, and there's also business. So
yeah, and I think he hasn't figured out what he wants to do. Like one day he wants to be a chiropractor, and one day he wants to like do something else. And I think it's all right to be in that confused state. It's fine. You don't have to figure it out now. You know, there are times your children will want to be an auto driver, and then they'll want to be a cop, and then they'll want to be something else. She wanted to be an auto driver when he was a kid. It's all right, guys. Like, you know, it's okay.
can't come to your center.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Super
brain. Yeah. There are a lot of things, but yeah. First, try Bhakla therapy. Okay, how to get kids back on track. Okay, so this is a tough one, you know, like back on track, it depends on what is the track. I never really followed. Shian will do dad's work. Okay, dad does a bunch of things that Shian is not connected to. Shian's definitely not doing engineering. That dream's gone long back. Okay, depends on what the track is and what kind of track you're trying to put your kids on. That's really not what we're talking on this live videos, out of the box parenting, and it's really not about telling your kids engineer bano beta, doctor bano. So I mean, I was given the allowance to do what I do. Like I didn't have crazy control freak parents telling me ki, whatever. So I'm not going to tell my son ki doctor bano. But he sometimes feels that I want to do this, and suddenly he wants to do something else. My 14-year-old also tells me that he wants to be an auto driver. Lol, they're all confused at this age. It's fine, guys. Just just tell them that they can drive Uber instead of auto. Safer होता है ना, थोड़ा safer है. Instead of auto, Uber better है ना, Shian?
I mean, there's no business for Bajaj Autos. So.
Bajaj Autos. Okay. How to get to know my child is interested and that can end up to be a career. Okay, so Neelima asks how to get to know what your child's interest is. I'm going to suggest something. In our center, Sanjesh does something called fingerprint analysis. Get this done. It's an amazing analysis. You get a very detailed report on your child's strengths and weaknesses. We actually changed Shian's school based on that. And he's got extreme, amazing kinesthetic ability. So which means if he takes up a career in sports, it'll be amazing for him. But after that, you've got to give allowance to your kid to figure out what they want to do. My son wants to become Spider-Man. Yup. Shian, yeah. Yeah. Every child wants to be Spider-Man. Just please be aware that do not let them jump out the balcony and tell them that Spider-Man is a fool.
I didn't jump out of balcony if you were thinking.
Yeah, he didn't.
Why don't she have a book?
What? Why? What is that? Why don't Shian write a book? Okay, why doesn't Shian write a book? He's actually very good at writing. He's good at writing stories. Shian's amazing at writing stories. How to win your child's trust and become their confidant? Very nice question. I love this question. How to
Open up to your child.
Open up.
To your child. What you want your child to do or be with you, you gotta do or be with them.
You just have to say that again. That was so awesome.
Whatever you want your child to do or be with you, you gotta do or be with them. That's like, I can't give a better answer than that, honestly.
Yeah, and I do that because he's my confidant, and I talk to him about my stuff, and there are times that I'm grappling with something personally, and I tell him, I can't be telling you this stuff, you're my kid, and I can't be telling you, I'm supposed to handle your problems. And he says, so this day this happened, right? And I was having an issue with a friend, and I was very upset, and I come home and I'm really, really upset, and he said, what happened? You're not okay. And Shian can read my state of mind and my emotions like that. And then he says, what happened? And I said, I can't be telling you all this because I'm upset about this, and you're my kid, and I can't be telling my kid because I should be solving your stuff with your friends. And then he says, can you go and talk to your mom about this? Do you think your mom will understand? And I said, no. Do you think you can talk to your dad about this? I said, no. And then he says, so yeah, who can you talk to? Me. And he exactly did that. He said, me, I'm here. So talk to me. And he just had this aura and this energy that I could just tell him stuff, and he, kind of helped me sort it out and get out of it. So it's very important to also let your child be there for you when you need them. And that gives them also that feeling of I could be there for my mom. And in turn, you always end up parenting by example. No, we can't do all that. So, Shian, please talk about Sheila ji, some best memories of you both, which you will never forget in your life. That's really a cool one. This is crazy. Okay. I know what you're going to talk about. I think I know what you're going to talk about.
What's it?
I don't know. I'm not telling you. Let's see if you did.
Best memory, huh? You like.
Best memory of you and I.
It's like. How do I put this? I've had so many amazing memories with her. Every time, her birthdays and all that were also like.
I think my closest amazing memory with you is Goa. Goa when we went when you was really small.
Oh yeah. There was this one time we were in a restaurant, and it was. So actually,
we went to Goa on a bus.
Yeah.
We went on a bus and we puked the whole way. I don't know why I don't know why we had this crazy idea that we're gonna go in a bus, but I was going through some crazy time in my life, and that time I was a single parent, so you know it was just crazy.
Just the two
And
of
then
us.
just the two of us, and I think my dad was also there. Daddy also was there. My dad was also there. He had to go, you know, on work.
Yeah.
He had to go on work to some other place in Goa. So my dad, Shian, myself went in a bus to Goa, but my dad had to stay on the other side of Goa. So it was just Shian and me on a holiday, and the whole journey we were puking. The whole bus was puking. Okay, and we reached Goa and we were like, oh my god, that was a lot of puke. Like they were just prepared with plastic
Okay,
bags.
That wasn't the memory.
That wasn't the memory.
That wasn't the memory.
That wasn't the memory.
So,
Be
okay,
loud.
I'll come to the memory.
We
Oh.
went to a restaurant and there was
Okay, yeah. So we were in a restaurant dinner, and you know, they just had this whole thing where you know people would just go and like sing whatever they want. It was like karaoke, and I was just like at my table, and you know she went on stage and she sang this song. What was it called from Mariah Carey?
Hero.
It was called Hero from Mariah Carey, and you know, like just look up that song, and you know, it was. I can't, you know, I love that. I would, yeah, man. How would I say? I'm speechless.
Yeah, that
Just
was a very-
remembering that, you know, it's like it's one of my best memories.
Yeah.
It's one of my best
That was one of my
memories.
best memories too, just both of us.
One of my best memories.
Okay, so Happy Girly says, please tell me about your marriage. Did you have a bad marriage? Why were you a single parent? Maybe this could encourage all single parents. Okay, I was in an abusive marriage, and that was crazy. Like, I was in a crazy, abusive, batshit crazy marriage. And finally, when he was 2, my ex-husband walked out, and that was the best thing he ever did for me. Like, till today, I'm super grateful because he left us. And you know, Shian was 2, and I was like clueless, and I was on limbo, and I was like, what am I going to do with my life, because I wasn't very clear on that. But I am so grateful that he did leave, because I turned into this constipated 24/7 aloo. I don't have any other word to express what I became. Yeah, I became an aloo, you know. So yeah, that's why I was a single parent. And single parenting, I have no complaints. It was tough, you know. It was tough. To all the people in an abusive marriage, I tell them, if you're thinking about getting out of your marriage, single parenting is tough, but it is way better than being in an abusive marriage. So, you know, if you have the chance and the support to walk out now. Do not think it's going to be tough. It is going to be tough, guys, but that tough is a nice tough. वो अच्छा वाला tough होता है, you know, like even if you're grinding your ass, like you know that at the end of it, you know what, like I'm just going to be like, I don't know, Superman. Like you'll feel like Spider-Man. मैं तो Spider-Man बन गई, you know, like it's that अच्छा वाला feeling. So,
Love your vocab.
no, darling, I'm not in tears now. Okay, love your vocab, aloo. Boosa, boosa, boosa. That's why you're so strong today. Yes, and I had the support of this amazing kid, you know. So it doesn't happen just like that. Like I always tell him, I get to be a star mom because you just keep me out of, like, I don't have to focus 100% of my energy in all your tantrums and all your kitch. Like I get to be a rock star because of you. So I include him in that. Like, you know, 2 of my awards, guys, when I won, I took him on stage because Shian's a very important part of that. Yes, I have got married again, and I have an amazing husband, and I have an amazing little one. So yeah, and for people who think that, you know, there's no second chances, there are very limited edition men out there who will not judge you for being divorced and having a kid, and they will accept you as is. And lanate on those people who like not get into a relationship with you because you have a kid and because, you know, they feel like you have baggage and whatever nonsense. So yeah, thank you, Sonam, Shian, and you lovely mom duo, how to deal with teenagers. How do you deal with teenagers? How do we deal with teenagers? I got lucky. I have a sane teenager. I think he has to deal with me more than I have to deal with him. So we can ask Shian how he parents me.
You got 16, 6, or not, 17.
Yes, being single is tough, but without your family, it's worse. Sheila's dictionary keep adding words. Yes, aloo is the new one. Wow, Sheila, what for you into spirituality and all this after? No, darling. I got into spirituality and healing and all of this way before I got into that abusive marriage. We are twisted people who get into situations where people treat us unkind because we were unkind to ourselves. We only attract people in our life who treat us badly or abuse us because we don't love ourselves. So frankly, we need to correct our energy with ourselves, and only then you attract the right person in your life. What can you do best for your kids? Is to be yourself, is to accept them as they are, is to be an allowance of them, listen to them, and tell them it's okay to make mistakes. And when they come and tell you, like confide in you, or like tell you the truth about something, don't punish them for telling the truth. You know, I have this deal with Shian. When he comes and tells me about something, he comes and tells me the truth. I don't like scream at him when he tells me the truth. Like, we as children, we always got yelled at when we told the truth about something. Like, "Baba, baba, 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 अरे अरे, गलती कर दिया."
But
क्यों बोला?
But don't mistake it for being nice after that. You know,
Yeah.
like even if they do something wrong and always tell you the truth, it's if you're nice to them even after that, it's sort of like encouraging them to make that same mistake. So don't mistake it for being nice.
Yeah. So you gotta tell your okay. So Ashkin says this is your best live video ever. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, my son is in it, so it has to be my best live video. He is so cute. It's wonderful just to watch him give answers. I was addicted to your live videos, and now I would look forward to Shian's live videos too. I would love for Shian to do live videos myself. I would love to watch him. Your son talks less, but he talks the right thing. Yeah, he's like this wise soul. He doesn't do putter putter like me. His eyes are like Salman Khan. Shian, you let mom do how to deal with okay, wait. After 15 years of marriage, it's tough what to do. No, darling, there's no time that is tough. It's no time to be late or early. It's just when you make that choice to get out.
Good on.
He looks calm and understanding. He absolutely is. How many kids you have? Just one boy? No. Michelle, I have 2 boys. I have Shian, who's 16 years old, and I have Zubin, who's 6. He looks like young Salman Khan. Okay. Though you're just 16, but in one word you completed the sentence. Yes, he does. He's next level, guys. He's next level. Thank you, Cheshna. Does anyone have any other questions before we wind up this session? We've answered a lot of session. Where is the younger one? He's in bed. Payal, sorry. He went to sleep. And he's too shy to come in front of the camera. He is so camera shy, it's unbelievable. So, I doubt he'll be on any... Tanuja, when is Shian's birthday? 21st October. My son's ages are 35, 31 and 24, different phases. Good to still listen and understand myself when I was wrong or right. Well, there's no wrong or right, Kanta. I'm not going to say that, there is a right or wrong in parenting, because you just parent the way you know best. And it's very important to have awareness when you parent. It is so important to have awareness, when you're parenting. Attending your 3rd session, not even a parent yet, but you guys have my heart and soul throughout the session. Thank you so much, Shine. Thank you so much. By the way, people call Shian Shine. That's like his name. People mispronounce his name as Shine.
One thing's for sure, I'm hardly called Shian when they say my name first.
What are you called?
Shigan, Shane, Shine.
Shigan. Shane. That's the funniest one. Shane. And what was that? Ram?
Huh?
Parma something Ram? Oh God, I forgot that. No. That was my nickname for you, Hariharan Venkatraman. No. There's, I was saying, there was somebody, who said Param something Ram. You are something Ram.
Something from Rama.
From Ramayana, something, yeah. Shian is so sorted, Sharda says. Sharda is my friend from Delhi. So, okay. Okay, my kiddo is very rigid, doesn't want to study at all. He hates going to school. He is 5 years old. Join the club. Okay? My
5
friend
years
Sindhu
old.
remembers. My friend Sindhu remembers Shian from when he was like 4.5
He's fine.
when we were in Delhi, and he had to write number 6. And we're like, Shian, write 6. Shian, write 6. I think it's the wrong school. Please look at a school that's fun for
Kids
him.
with good age difference. Tell him what our
Hmm.
age difference.
Whose age difference?
Mine and
Shian and Zubin's. Yeah. So, you know, you really got to change their school, a school that makes it joyful and fun to study in. You got to put them in a school like that. Maryada Purushottam Ram.
Oh God.
Maryada Purushottam Ram.
Oh God.
So that's going to be his name, guys. I'm so loving. Why, Vashisht? Thank you for that name. Maryada Purushottam Ram. I am loving it. How to increase my 12-year-old's concentration level? Okay, when Shian was in 4th grade, he was a trouble kid in his class, and then I did a numerology name correction for him. I also did something which is called rewiring your brain, a lot of sessions of that. It turned him around and he turned into a gold medalist the next year. I wouldn't say he's like academically very, you know, he really has to be pushed to study. Janki is online, she can also tell you the truth about Shian and his studies. Usko bheek mangna padta hai, Shian study, Shian study, Shian study. But you know, when he, even if he doesn't, Narayana was pretty fun, I guess. Is that your friend? Narayana was pretty fun, I guess.
Oh God.
Okay, so Shian hated, like he probably developed this hatred towards it, yaar padna nahi hai. But when he sits at it, he's awesome, he's brilliant. So
Sparsh, I remember him.
Maryada Purushottam Ram. I'm loving that new name.
God.
Guys, all you guys, friends of Shian, his new name is not Zach, his new name is Maryada Purushottam Ram. What I can see, okay. Okay. Okay, my son is 4 and a hyperactive social kid and get bored very oftenly. How to help him utilize energy? He's 4 years old and hyper. I'm going to suggest you do Bakfla therapy for him. Also, get him engaged in some kind of a sport, something that he loves to do. Channel his energy.
Yeah.
Get his bars run, which is the rewiring your brain session. Yes, you can learn it and you can do it yourself. You can get it done by someone. We will be scheduling a class with a facilitator. I used to facilitate the Access Bars class. Maybe I will again, I don't know, but I have a trainer in my center, Manjunath, who's going to be facilitating an Access Bar session, which helps you rewire your brain. Fingerprint analysis also helps to understand your kid and parenting. Yes, it does. It helps you understand your child because you'll understand different facets of your child's learning and intelligence, whether they're creative, left brain, right brain, all of that. Shian, please sing a song for your mom, which you want to decide for her, which you want. They're asking you to sing a song. Shian's a brilliant singer. More than a singer, he's a phenomenal rapper. Shian raps like a dream. Shian dances like a dream. So guys, if you want to follow Shian, please you can follow him on Instagram. He has that funny, I don't know, Instagram ID. Just search for Shian's.
Tag.
Okay, I don't know what it's called.
Okay, just go to my mom's following or followers list and just like.
Yeah, you can find Shian Zach Bajaj. You can follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna put up some videos of his dancing and his rap on his Instagram. I'm going to put up him rapping on Gully Boy songs. Shian raps like a dream. Like he is okay. Now that's one of the things I think I projected on him, and I'm gonna mention this on live stream that I projected something of this on him. Is that I kind of love dancing. Okay. Yes, Shian is a good dancer. So I love dancing and I performed on stage. So I learned dancing and I performed for a dance school on stage. And Shian saw me perform on stage and he's like, at this age, if you can do it, I can do it. So Shian have a YouTube channel, someone says. So I mean,
No,
it's
I don't
something
have a
that
YouTube channel.
he doesn't have a YouTube channel, but yeah. So I had this desire to probably have learned dance. How many girlfriends? That's a question for him to answer. So I had this thing that I love dancing and I like dancing and I love dancing and all of that. And it's something that a lot of us parents do. We project our inadequacies or things that we didn't do onto our children and make them do that. So whether it's singing or dancing, and I with awareness I tell him that. Like I'll tell him that, I learned Bharatnatyam and I learned like Hindustani classical, but I mean, you can do whatever dance you want, and you should be learning and exploring and do this and that. And sometimes we end up pushing them to learn and do stuff that we want to do, and that's not being kind to your child. So I still do it sometimes, and I still tell him that I am projecting my desires, or my inadequacies, or what I couldn't do, or incompletion on you. So sometimes you'll still do it as a parent, guys. You're still going to do that. It's unkindness to your child when you do that. But I tell Shian that this is where I'm coming from, but please choose. If you want to dance, you dance like a dream. Please go ahead and dance.
Mango time.
Mango time. Okay, all my viewers know that I am mango at this time. What am I going to do after mango season? That's crazy. Okay, you have to answer that. Do you have a girlfriend, Shian?
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
Not yet. So, आप दिल्ली में कहाँ रहते हो? I think आपको मैं मिला था. Okay, sorry. I lived a very hermit's life in Delhi. I don't think I met anyone in Delhi, guys. I was just at home. रहते थे. But he says he thinks he met me. But sorry, I didn't meet anyone in Delhi. I didn't meet anyone in Delhi. So all I did was work, home, recording because I was on a television stint, and I did shopping because that was a part of my job. Yes, my AC is working now. Thank you. Ma'am, he would be having loads of girlfriends as he's such a good listener and advisor. Trust me. He attracts girls like makkis will come to him. And yeah, sorry, I'm not gonna embarrass him. That's mean, yeah. That's really mean. After mango comes chiku milkshake. No. So high calorie. Crazy that is. Chikus are like so high calorie. Mangoes are not. Mangoes are weight loss fruits. Okay, thumb sucking kid. I have really twisted ways of parenting, guys. It's out of the box parenting. Really out of the box parenting. Shian had a biting habit. Shian, can I please say this on live stream? Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, Shian had a biting habit, guys. Shian used to bite. One day he bit his best friend here. Okay? And then he had this girl who had a crush on him in his play school, Sarah. He bit her. Okay? So yeah, he's blushing. So he bit people when Shian he just had a biting habit. So I had a really close friend. My closest friend at the time was, he was in Narayana before he went to his school where he passed out from. So Shian used to bite, and it was, I tried everything in the book. I tried every trick on the table. I asked my friend who's a counselor. I read online. I went crazy trying to search for a toad for this. Finally, what I did was, this is really embarrassing, okay? So when he would bite, very quickly, like 2 seconds ke andar, I would bite him. Okay? So let's say he bit me on one hand. Very quickly, I'll take his hand and I'll bite him on this other hand. Like, not hard, but like thoda sa. And so in a second, he would get so confused कि अभी मैंने बाइट किया, लेकिन मेरे हाथ पे ये किसने बाइट किया, ये मुझे दर्द क्यों हो रहा है. So this kept happening. I kept biting him every time he bit me or bit someone. Suppose he's biting his friend, I'll go and bite him. So every time he bites someone, like I would just go bite him, like very softly, but I would bite him. Okay, and he would just look at his hand and say, "Crush is in play school." Strange.
Newton's law applied. Some high level.
Yeah. So I bit him back, and then he realized that every time he bit, he was getting pain. It was a split second. It's actually an NLP technique. So he stopped biting. Ma'am, I bit my son back. He had the same habit. We're weird moms. It's fine to be weird, mom. Our children will turn out fine, guys. I'm telling you. If any of you are wondering, you're a weird mom and you're a part of my tribe, welcome. Our children turn out fine. We're not screwing them up. That was my biggest tension. I said, मैं पागल हूँ, मैं इसको भी पागल कर दूँगी. But it's cool. They turn out fine. My daughter has the habit of pinching. Also pinch and sleep. Reena, I'm not saying this on live video. I don't want to be sued later. but maybe you can try what I just said. किड्स का सेशन करो प्लीज़. अरे ये किड्स का सेशन ही तो है. और ये क्या है? शियान, डू यू नो हु इज रोशनी?
रोशनी from which-
अभी सब पता चल रहा है. अभी सब पता चल रहा है. रोशनी कौन है? Bhabhi says same here. Okay, so my Bhabhi is also on this live stream. Hi. So yeah, we all turned out fine. I don't know what she's saying same here for, but awesome. He does not eat vegetables and fruits. All children hate vegetables, so you got to like coat it with something, maybe Nutella or something. I don't know. Maybe that'll work. Okay, let's see. Yuck. It's going to be disgusting. I just said it out of the box. I bit him slightly. I realized he was just teething. Yeah, they will be teething and they will bite, but that becomes a habit later. I'm from Rajasthan. How can I take brain rewiring sessions for my son? You can learn it and, contact us. There is a group. There's actually a fifth dimensional healing group. Guys, there are over 900 people. If any of you want to be a part of that group, there is going to be a link that is posted. You can join that.
Who's Aquarius? Who is 24?
I don't know. Okay, I think we're done with questions.
Why?
Okay, my kid screams for everything, for asking anything. He's 21 months old baby and he can't speak yet. Okay, I think 18 months, 1.5, and then okay, yeah. So he's almost 2. Give him some time, all right? We freak out a lot with these milestones with our children. When when it's your first kid, you freak them, like you get freaked out yourself because you just want them to be perfect. You want everything to be right. You want everything to be awesome, and just stop stressing. And if your kid screams for everything, kids scream for everything. That's what they are like. Okay, they're gonna scream for everything. Okay, it's on my right hand, but because it's a selfie camera, it looks like left hand. It means Meraki. It means when you put your heart, soul, your love, your passion into what you do, it's called
There is
Meraki.
a left-handed that also, no?
No, it looks like the left hand there. How
Okay.
can we develop a bond with the kid? Like Shian said earlier, just be, what did you say? How do you develop a bond with your kid? You
Just
answered
open up
it.
to them.
Open up to them. Shian, please dedicate a song for your mom. Okay, what age can you do fingerprint analysis? You can do fingerprint analysis when your children's fingerprints develop. I think that's about 4 or 5. Let Shian's followers know that Shian is live. Yeah, I think Shian's followers know that he's live. Shian, do you know who's Roshni? Again, I'm just repeating that like a crazy mom. Okay, I had a question on DM of a parent who says, how do you deal with it if your child is bisexual or if your child is gay? A very, very controversial question. So hence this person did not send this message on the messages. All right, people who are listening, I'm gonna say one thing. I had this conversation with Shian a while back. You remember when we had that, like sometime back, long back, maybe a year or two back. Vaguely remembers it vaguely. And I actually asked him, that, Shian, if you feel that you like someone of the same sex, if you feel that you're attracted to someone I was kind of like first getting into the topic, and then I thought like I'll dive into it. And then I said, if you feel that you are attracted to someone of the same sex, it's fine. It's all right. It doesn't mean it's a wrongness of you. So the first thing that I want to tell parents who are dealing with their children being gay is I deal with a lot of clients who come to me who are gay. I get a lot of men, a lot of boys, a lot of girls who are lesbian or gay, and they come and tell me that the biggest fear they have is that they're not able to talk to their parents about their orientation. There's nothing wrong with your kid to begin with. That's the first thing I want to tell all parents is there's nothing wrong with your child. Your child, that's the way your child functions, all right? It's like, imagine if someone came and told you, my God, how can you be attracted to someone of the opposite sex? You'd say like, hello, that's just normal. So that is their normal. Just because you are not attracted to someone of the same sex, it does not mean that they are not. So the first conversation I had with him was, if you're attracted to another boy, it's fine, do not judge yourself. and he said, no mama, I'm sure I'm not attracted to someone of the same sex. We had this conversation a little later when I realized that my younger one's favorite color was pink and purple, and he wanted only pretty brushes and what is that, Barbie brushes. And you know, he's a very, like, you know, Zubin is a very different child. And when he was making his choice of like shoes or t-shirt color, Zubin wears a lot of pink. You know, there was this one time when I was telling my husband, because my husband is a little more a little different from maybe the way I am or Shian is. And you know, I said, you know, you really want to be a little open-minded, because tomorrow if one of our kids come and tell us that they're bisexual or they're gay, you shouldn't so you shouldn't kind of judge them. All right. So when I told my husband that, my husband took a little time to understand, but he did eventually. And you know, Shian was like, if Zubin was gay, I would absolutely support him. If ever he was, you know, I would have my support 100%. So you know, I want to tell all the parents out there, I've dealt with a lot of children, a lot of adults who are gay and who are bisexual or whatever their orientation is, and you should be really, really, you know, supportive to your children if they are, and not judge them for it. The biggest pain that your child will go through is if you don't accept them. So my recommendation to all parents out there is, it's tough as it is for them to accept their own sexuality. Please don't make it tougher for them. All right, just be supportive. And you know what, when people judge that, just tell them bhaad mein jao. You know, I mean, as long as your children are not telling you to have, you know, to choose sexuality based on their preference, right? Imagine if your children came and told you that you should have same-sex orientation. You would be like, how ridiculous is that? That's how ridiculous it sounds, guys, to these to bisexual or to gay children, that you would force them to, you know, choose someone of the opposite sex. So that's what it is. Okay, I don't know what Dhananjay is saying. I'm sorry, guys, but Shian is very open about it, and you know, I mean, we've had these discussions, and you know, people come and talk to them about him about stuff. So, you know, please don't try and shield your children from these topics. Da 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 da. Okay, I have no more questions here. Is there any more questions here, Shian? Do you see?
Good child.
Adamant behavior, you just gotta ignore them. When a child is throwing a tantrum, just ignore them, walk away. Ignore them, walk away. They'll just find it's pointless.
I don't know if many of you have seen, but there's this one thing many people did on TikTok, actually it was. Or not only on TikTok, they just put it on social media. It was this little experiment that they did. Obviously at first when you see it, it's a funny video. So like, it was this thing that they did with the infants. They would hit the wall with their hands, the parent, and they would like tell the kid, like, oh, I'm so sorry, and the kid would just start crying even though nothing happened to the kid. So what happens is, this is like, what I'm trying to tell you is that for a tantrum, there needs to be a spectator. When the spectator is gone, the tantrum goes. Just like us, if we're doing the live video, we only do it if there are viewers. If there are no viewers, no point doing the live video. So it's just like that. A tantrum, if you want to stop the tantrum, don't pay attention.
Awesome. Can you believe, guys, my 16-year-old says there's no tantrum if there's no spectator. So all the parents are in love with you. If there's no spectator, there are no tantrums. So just deflate it, walk away. We do that with Zubin a lot, right? When he threw tantrums in the beginning.
Yes.
There was one crazy raging tantrum he had, and all of us just went like, oh my god, what is this? Like, Shian was dealt with.
It's been, I can't even remember. Like, I remember that tantrum that he had, but I don't remember when that was. Like, all I know is it was a really long time ago. And you know, Zubin, I can tell you one thing about Zubin. He's even though he's 6, like, you know, biologically, mentally he's not 6. He's not 6 mentally. He's so smart, and you know, I think he's, you know, my brother's amazing. Guys, like, I wish he could be on this live video, but he's too shy.
Yeah, he's too shy.
But I still love him for that. Like, even when he's shy also, he's like, damn cute.
Yeah. So now you have a new name, okay? Now you have a name which is, wait, Shwan. Now you're Shwan. So earlier he was Shine and Sheen and Shigun and Sheen and all that. Now he's Shwan. And he's also Sean and he's Shine and Shin. How many names do you have, man? Like, so a lot of people in the school just sibling rivalry. Do you all have sibling rivalry?
No.
There's a 10-year gap between both of them, and there's no sibling rivalry. No. He's very much confident. All the best, beta, for your career. So sweet. We have sweet people saying sweet things. All up to you. Okay, guys, if any more questions are there, I'm going to entertain them for the next 5 minutes. Otherwise, we're going to wind up.
Do you know Kannada?
Who said? Who knows Kannada? Shian knows Kannada? No, I know Kannada. Namge salpa Kannada gottu.
Matadake gottu. So I only know Kannada a little bit to give the auto drivers like direction and all that.
Sheila, you look much younger now than earlier. Thank you, Pooja. Because I think I just looked like an aloo earlier. After my abusive marriage, I became an aloo. And I became, you know, I don't know. I just became like something, you know. I think I should share a picture of what I looked like then. Back then, I was like, I don't know, 200 years old. It's a sibling rivalry instead. Shian is a very nurturing brother to Zubin. So Shian really takes care of Zubin, helps in parenting him. Sometimes we have clashes because of that, and he says, no, you know, you should teach him this, and I think he needs to be blah, 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 blah. And we're like, sometimes we have to actually stop and say, Shian, please let us do our job. We are his parents. So Shian can be a little, you know. Huh?
So many people are saying to sing.
Sing, no? Why don't you sing?
Both of us will do.
No, I'll go Besur. I'm very, very Besur. He is Sham because he is calm and understanding. He is Sham. Sham. Now his name is Sham. Okay, ma'am, please tell about my daughter. Arey, we are not doing any readings here today.
Oh, no.
Can't sit in a place for 1 minute. I'm going to suggest you guys, all the people have hyper children, please learn how to do the rewiring your brain.
One thing about
my husband is
hyper
not Sindhi, guys. My husband's a Kannadiga.
One thing about hyper children I would tell you is that it's that excess energy they've got because it's not being channeled in any way. That's all. Yeah, and the last bit.
Okay.
So like, you know, all that all that, I hope you guys can hear me, all that energy that they have, it's since they have like you know that shows that they can do much more.
Yeah.
You know, like my mom said, she used to talk a lot when she was younger. Now look at her, she's like so many live videos she's doing every day. People love her, and you know that's when you put that particular trait into use. So if you're hyper child, if you wanna like, you know, make him do something productive, you can put him in some sports class. That's how my mom tried to tire me out.
Yeah, you just got to channel out that energy and just like burn it out. Another way to do that is you could put them in something creative, put them in something like with sports, and it just helps their energy a lot. Another good thing is to send your kids to a yoga class. It really helps channel the energy in the right direction. Excuse me, no, please tell me. Sorry, no guidance related questions. Okay, sing a song before you leave. Oh my god, I'm not gonna sing, guys. I'm so basur. He raps really. Can you rap without the music?
What to rap?
Do Gully Boy. Do Gully Boy.
I forgot it.
Azadi.
I forgot.
Okay, do that Duri.
Okay,
Duri. Do Duri. Okay, he's gonna do a small rap Duri. You'll do Duri?
I'm just gonna do it till wherever I know.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, guys, Shian is gonna rap. He's gonna rap on Gully Boy Duri.
Okay, it's gonna be weird without beat.
I know.
Actually, you know what? Please.
Okay, I'll post a video. I promise to post it on his Instagram.
We'll
promise,
post
okay?
We'll
because
post.
it'll have a beat and you know, yeah. So we'll post it on Instagram. I promise to post it. I'll post it. I'll take his Instagram myself. I'll sneak into it and I'll post it. All right. So make sure you follow him on Instagram. Shian Zach Bajaj. Just find him on my follower list.
Probably on highlights.
On highlights, I don't know what that means. I'm not
like
so
those stories that are
Insta
saved.
savvy.
Stories that are saved.
Yeah. Okay. Um, okay, lots of people thanking you. Lots of people thanking you. Superb at his age, so much maturity in speaking.
You.
Yeah, he's really happy, and he's happy to be on this live video. Thank you guys for everything, for being a part of this live video. Thank you all of those people who contributed, who shared this video. I'm gonna hope everyone has my son is ready to rap with you. Okay, he doesn't want to rap. I'm not gonna force him. Sorry guys, sorry. I'm just gonna post a video.
I'll post a video.
He's gonna post the Duri and the Azadi and whatever Gully Boy songs on his Insta. I promise you. So you can follow him on
Please post
Instagram.
FB also. Yeah, we'll post on FB also.
Yeah, on Facebook as well. Okay, so thank you guys for coming live, and this was an awesome session on parenting, and I hope all of you all got some amazing stuff on how to deal with children, straight from the master himself and myself, and I'm still learning parenting. Please remember always, it's that your children make you parents first. You were never a parent before you gave birth to them. So essentially, Shian taught me how to be a mom, and it's all right to tell your children that, boss, I'm just like learning on the job. You know, this is hands-on learning. It's like, you know, you never went to university to become a parent, but you're learning on the job. It's like an internship, and it's fine to say that you're not perfect. It's fine to make mistakes. You don't have to get it right. Your children can know when you're screwing up. They can know when you're an emotional wreck. It's all right to be an emotional wreck, and your children know that they're not going to take advantage of you. You know, just kind of just be yourself, and whilst you're being yourself, you should also you become in allowance of your child being themselves. All right, when you can be yourself so freely, that's the best gift you can be your kid, because they end up being themselves. So grant your kid that being yourselfness, and learn to say bhaad mein jao, and don't get into the what will people say syndrome, and use the healing mudra, the certain middle finger that we all would love to use for all the people who judge us for being certain kind of parents. You're always going to have relatives who will judge you because you're not a conventional parent, but bhaad mein jao. They are not taking care of your children, they're not bringing up your children, and the next time someone does that to you, please tell them to focus on their own kids, and they will never tell you anything ever again. I promise you that. All right, awesome session. Hoping to see Shian soon with a new topic. You got such a positive aura, Shian. Shian, do this again. He has such a lovely aura. My younger brother, Shian Zaid, God bless him. You rock. Thank you, Shian. Do this again. When will you come live next, ma'am and Shian? Okay, we're going to do a parenting special again. I'm going to hope you guys send me more questions regard to parenting, so that when we do this session, we know that we already have some questions. Best mom and son pair in live parenting.
Y'all
Please
can give
do more.
ideas as to what I can do
Yeah,
next.
so if you give us a topic, we'd love to kind of address those on these live shows. All right, okay, bhaad mein jao. I hope everyone starts using more of this bhaad mein jao mantra, and use the middle finger if you need to, and you know, it is very powerful. Chant it 1,000,000 times, and bhaad mein jao, bhaad mein jao, bhaad mein jao, and you will start to live that energy, and people will not come and mess with you. I promise you that. Nice to see both of you together on live session beginning. Mumbai, can't see you in person. Love you, Sheila, was superb. Love you both. I'm gonna have a wonderful sleep today. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this live video. If any of you wanna get get anything from our center, you can call our office. You can reach our office on sheila.com or 9900120034. You can like Shian's Instagram on
S_Zach B.
okay, whatever, S_Zach B.
Sorry,
But
S_Zach_B.
okay, but you can just type Shian Zach Bajaj and you'll find him, or on my follower list you will find him. Otherwise, on my post, it's there on my post. The post that I had on my Instagram, all of you, if you're there on Instagram, he's not much on Facebook, he's on Instagram, so you guys, you can follow him on Instagram. And all the Facebook people, you can follow me on Instagram as well as Shian on Instagram. It's on my first Instagram post with the picture of Shian and me. So I promise to share that video of him singing and dancing. All right, bye guys, love you.
Oh, Ronak.
Bye guys.